Struggling with hydraulic connections that can't handle the pressure? It's time to upgrade to Ermeto SV35LOMDCF Bulkhead hydraulic fitting. Built for high pressure applications, this fitting ensures secure, leak-free connections every time. The Ermeto SV35LOMDCF fitting is crafted from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and resistance to harsh conditions. With a 35mm tube OD on both ends, it's designed for precision and reliability. Capable of withstanding pressures up to 800 bar, this fitting excels in high-pressure environments, making it ideal for industries like agriculture, automotive, construction, and oil and gas. Whether you're handling chemical transfer, fuel transfer, or hydraulic systems, it's built to last. This fitting's male 24-degree cone connection provides the perfect seal every time. It's engineered to be corrosion resistant and versatile enough for a wide range of industrial applications. You can count on it for consistent performance in chemical, fuel, and hydraulic transfers. Don't settle for sub-bar connections. Visit www.offshoredimensionspackagestore.com, call +234 909 482 1645, or email us at sales@offshoredimensions.com to place your order. Act now and secure your fittings. Stock is limited.